Hey, this is Diana from the blog Liking Our Love, and in this video I'm going to show a recipe for sweet honey cornbread. It's really easy to make and it comes out really moist. It's kind of like having a pound cake. And all you'll need for this recipe is cornmeal, all-purpose flour, sugar, salt, baking powder, vegetable oil, butter, honey, eggs, and milk. So to a large mixing bowl, you're going to add 1/2 cup of yellow cornmeal, 1½ cups of flour, 3/4 cups of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and then you're going to mix that together until it is well combined. Then you'll add your wet ingredients: 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, 1/4 cup of melted butter, 1 heaping tablespoon of honey, 2 eggs that have been beaten, and 1 1/4 cup of milk. Then you can take your spoon and stir everything together until it is just moistened. If you have any really big lumps, you can just push them up against the side of the bowl and mash them that way. Do. Yep, that's what I do, babe.
You make your batter and dough and stuff.
So
it looks so smooth.
Kind of thick. It's almost like a cake batter.
It's kind of like
just lumpier.
It's kind of.
Next, you're gonna spray your baking dish with non-stick cooking spray. I'm using an 8x8 glass baking dish for this cornbread. Then you can go ahead and pour all of your batter into your greased baking dish. Here I'm just wiping off excess cooking spray from the outside of my dish. And then I'm going to stick it into an oven that has been preheated to 350 degrees, and I'm going to bake it for about 45 to 55 minutes. And here's the cornbread all finished. I left it in the oven for about 55 minutes, just until a knife stuck in the middle came out clean. Even in there until it's golden brown. Mine is probably actually just brown rather than golden brown. One thing, I got a little distracted, but one thing you can do, if it's getting brown and it's still not quite done, you can just cover it loosely with some aluminum foil until it finishes baking so that it won't brown up too much. But it's still good, it's not burnt. Here's the final product. Here's the cornbread cut up. I actually ended up cutting it while it was still hot, so it's a little bit crumbly. But what you want to do is let your cornbread cool down, and then you can cut it up. You can serve it with a little bit of butter on top and a drizzle of honey if you like. And it's really good, especially if you're making chili or soup or any kind of southern meal. Hope you try it and let me know how you like it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check us out at www.likingourlove.com for recipes and homemaking tips.